and my name is Biscuits-Sgimba, aka Sam, and today we're Casey Butter Biscuits and Conventionary guys. This one is for the dessert lovers, the cake lovers, the sweet tooth people. You are in for a treat. Something. Who's going to tell us about Casey Butter Biscuits. How are you?
Good and you, Sam. So lovely to meet you.
Thank you so much. I'm good as well. So can you tell us about Casey's?
So Casey's Butter Biscuits is a specialty cake shop where we make classic wedding cakes, modern wedding cakes. We do a lot of drip cakes, which is actually what we're known for in Pietermaritzburg. We also make anything from cupcakes to cake pops, biscuits, and anything in between. Yeah.
And what inspired you guys to start Casey's?
Well, Casey's Butter Biscuits was started by my mom, and there wasn't really inspiration for it. More, she was a hardworking housewife who wanted to provide for her family, so she started making biscuits from home and selling to family and friends. And from there, she just grew, and so many people wanted the biscuits, and it pushed demand for her to open up her own store.
Okay, I'm already excited, so let's just get started with everything.
Awesome. Let's get started.
Okay guys, now we're at the main table where the magic is going to be happening. Yeah, and Yvette's going to take us through and tell us what we're going to be doing. Yeah.
So today we're going to have some fun. We're going to be decorating some cupcakes, and we're also going to be decorating a cake. So let's start with the cupcakes first. Monday, could you bring us our little cupcakes? So we're going to be icing these cupcakes over here. We've got our piping bags with our icing. We've got our sprinkles, glitter, and all the good stuff, and we're ready to get started. Okay, Sam, so let's start with our vanilla cupcakes. This is the normal vanilla cupcakes that are always used. They're nice and buttery, and then we're going to use normal buttercream over here. We got a small starter. This is to make little swirls on the cupcakes. I got a bigger French tip. This is just to do a little drop of icing, and it looks very pretty with just some sprinkles on it. So we're going to start icing it, and then we're going to start decorating. So let me do a few with you and show you how it's done, and then you're going to have the piping bag in your hand, and you're going to be doing it.
Okay, let's do it.
So to start off, you're just going to hold your cupcake like this. Yeah, sure. And then straight above it like this, and you're just going to squeeze, and it will naturally make that shape.
Am I doing it right?
Well, it's good for your first time. She's going to be eating that one. That's her one. Now, Sam, we're going to try our next nozzle out. This one here is a small starter. So this is what, like, you know, a classic cupcake has that like swirl of ice cream, like an ice cream swirl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is the nozzle that's going to do that. So we're going to grab our little cupcake. We'll start in the middle, and we're going to go all the way around.
Ooh.
And up, so a little like ice cream kind of way.
Oh yeah, okay.
Now that we've got all our cupcakes iced, it's time for us to start decorating them. And we're going to start off with some sprinkles. And because our cupcakes are so nice and pretty, I'm picking like a champagne color sprinkle, which is nice to pop on it.
Alright.
And then I think my team decorated some flowers and made some flowers for us. So these here are actually edible flowers. They're made out of plastic icing. You can taste it, yeah. So they're just icing sugar that is made into a paste that you can roll out and mold anything out of. And we've got little flowers. Yeah, they're crunchy, yeah?
Very nice.
And that's what's going to go on top of our cupcake. So let's get started. So you did an amazing job on the cupcakes.
Thank you.
I think now it's time to move on to bigger and better things. Time to do a nice big cake.
Alright, I'm ready.
We don't know what's the occasion or celebration, but we're going to ice a whole cake and we're going to eat it as if it was our birthday. So
Yeah.
let's get into it, right? So let me go around explain the ingredients again, or the deco rather, because it's very similar to what we did on the cupcakes, except we're using a bit more bigger stuff this time. So what we're going to do is we're going to drip the cake in chocolates. We're going to put sprinkles on our drips. We're going to do a little border around the top in the same buttercream that we used there. So like our cake matches our cupcakes.
Alright.
Okay, and over here we have some gold flowers. This is made from the same icing as the flowers we used on the cupcakes.
Alright,
And we just painted them in gold, and we got some macaroons over here in gold as well. And I think that rounds up all the stuff we're going to be using. We're going to start dripping the cake down in chocolate.
Okay.
So let's start with that. And we're going to grab that scissors over there. And we are just going to snip the top of this bag. And we're going to start the dripping.
Finished doing our drips and border. Now we're about to decorate the cake. Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to start the actual decorating process. So you're going to be my right hand man. I'm just going to tell you pass me this, pass me that, and you're also going to help me just stick some beads on and stick some macaroons and flowers onto the cake. Alright?
Okay.
So let's get into it. Let's start first with the sprinkles.
Okay guys, we're done with the hard stuff, with the decorating. We decorated our cupcakes and our beautiful cake right here. Now it's time we taste, right? Just tell us the flavors that we have.
So in our cake that we made, we have our chocolate cake, red velvet, vanilla, and we got chocolate cake.
Alright.
This is actually one of the most common ones. People actually love taking chocolate, vanilla, and red velvet all stacked. Yeah.
Alright.
The red velvet hit you is
Wow.
really nice. And that's the one I'm finishing, the red velvet.
Damn. Wow, this is nice. It has a different taste. It has like a really different
Yeah,
taste.
it has like a berry kind of taste to it.
Okay. Guys, you know what to do. I'm done. Okay guys, now that we're done with tasting the cake, we are going to be tasting all this. Can you just tell us what's happening here?
What's
we
happening
have?
here? So this is a sweet table setup. So normally at a party you just have like the cake and cupcakes, which is the normal stuff we do. But I want to give you a taste of some stuff that's a bit trending now and stuff that is not what you usually would just find in any other bakery. So I made these here for you. I know these are one of your favorites. These are the ice cream pops. They're trending right now. So it's just a cake pop and you dip it in chocolate. Second bite, that means it's good.
What do we have inside here?
So the inside is a chocolate fudge cake. So it's a normal chocolate cake, then we add chocolate ganache into it and we pound it and shape it into this.
I love it guys. Look.
And then next up we have our Oreos dipped in white chocolate. Now, no one would say this is an Oreo because of the way it's decorated and stuff like that. But it's actually just a regular Oreo dipped in white milk chocolate.
Oh, is this the same?
The same flowers that's on the top, yeah.
Okay. I love the details. I'll tell you about the Oreos, guys. Who doesn't like Oreos?
So I'm very interested for you to try this. These are the Casey's butter biscuits. This is what put us on the map. These are our signature butter biscuits, and they're dipped in the same white chocolate we were eating before.
Wow, guys, I love your attention to detail and everything.
Yeah, so each little biscuit's hand decorated here.
These are very nice. They are not too sweet. They're just perfect.
And in fact, if the biscuit just dissolves in your mouth, that's how you know it's like a good butter biscuit. If it gets powdery, it's because it wasn't mixed well or the biscuit isn't right. So those are all the small little things that we go into testing each batch and making sure each biscuit is perfect for our customers.
I really love it. So nice.
Well, you can become a taste tester now for us. You can taste each batch and make sure it's perfect. Okay. Now it's for us to try our hard work.
Yes.
We are tasting our cupcakes
This
and
is
our
us.
cakes that we made. Why don't you grab one of those cupcakes? She's looking for the one she iced.
Okay. Are you not gonna see something?
Yeah. I'm trying to have one. Do you know what? Sorry, I missed that.
No. Go on.
You know what's the perfect way to eat a cupcake? So when you bite into a cupcake, like the icing smudges all over, so you just pop off whatever deco and save that for later. And then you're going to take your cupcake and you break off the bottom. These normally break off really easy. And you pop it on the top, so icing doesn't smudge everywhere and you don't mess your hands. So this is how you're supposed to eat a cupcake.
Right.
We can do it over. You can try again.
Let me try it. Okay.
So you're just gonna take off the deco, take out the cup, and you're making your own little sandwich.
Yeah, guys, we're learning a lot, hey? So next time, this is how you hit.
This is how you eat a cupcake, guys. And from now on, this is how you're going to be eating it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay guys, now it's rating on cloud, so I'm rating the place, that includes the vibe, the setting, customer service, and I'm also going to rate the food, which is the cakes. Okay, starting with the vibe, the place. The place is really gorgeous, it's welcoming, it's beautiful, the space is just lovely. I also love the design and everything. Also their customer service. I really had fun shooting this, had an amazing time. So yeah, I'm giving them 5 stars for that. And for the cakes, if I had something more than 5 stars, I would give them that, because their cakes are so delicious, guys. Like, to be honest with you, I'm not really a sweet tooth person, but I really enjoy their cakes, guys. I couldn't get enough of them. So yeah, come check out the place. Okay guys, we've come to the end of our episode. Had a really great time here, guys. I have like really nice things. You should come here and taste it for yourself. If you have a birthday party or anything, you guys, please come through. So while I'm there, can you tell people where they can find you guys?
Yeah, so you can find us at number 6 Almond Road. You can come speak to one of us any Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. We'll be able to help you with any cake or sugary treat you need. Or you could follow us on Facebook or Instagram. We're at Casey's Butter Biscuits.
Okay guys, you need to do the right thing, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. But for now, see you on the next episode. Bye.